So Nick, we've just come out of the materials testing lab at Nottingham Trent.
Yeah.
Everything's set up.
Fantastic.
All good to go.
Yeah.
It's going to be a great seminar, hands-on seminar
yeah.
we're going to have. And just to go over again the things that we're going to do there.
Okay.
So 493K are bringing over their benchtop rotomoulding machine.
Yeah.
We'll be moulding all day long.
All day long, yeah.
What are we going to mould? We're going to mould conventional PE powders.
Two shot.
2 shots, yes.
Nylon.
Right.
You were saying PLA?
PLA from those guys in the States, yeah.
I've got some very innovative material to help with PU foam adhesion. So we're going to be looking at that as well.
PU foam or?
PU foam.
Okay.
And we can do PE foam as well.
Okay, so inline foaming and then post moulding. Maybe some micro pellets as well.
Yes, micro pellets.
Maybe a bit of nylon. We're going to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're moulding all day long.
Correct.
Whilst we're moulding all day long, there's going to be time to do other things. What else are we going to talk about?
Okay. Well, I'm going to have a whole range of test equipment there.
Right.
Some stuff that you'd only find in a polymer lab.
Okay.
But a lot of it is stuff that you can easily use in a rotomoulding shop.
Right.
It's all very hands-on, all very practical.
Okay.
So to start with, stuff that you'd find on a data sheet. So melt index, density.
We're going to run melt index.
Yeah, we've got a melt index.
Oh,
so we're going to show
super.
different melt index, density, tensile properties, and flexural properties.
Okay.
So stiffness properties.
The instrons will be
we're
working?
going to use the instrons. They've got 2 instrons in the lab. We're going to set them up for the 2 different tests. So all that sort of physical property testing, plus of course drop dart impact testing, 2-arm standards.
Right, super.
So I'm going to have my freezer and my impact rig. It's all going to be there. I'll do it. The delegates can do it. Everybody can.
So everybody's going to get a go at running these tests.
Absolutely.
Seeing what. So we're going to look at dry flow.
Yes. So
particle size distribution.
We're going to look at powders, dry flow, particle size distribution. We've got a couple of microscopes, so we can look at good powders, bad powders under the microscope.
Okay, we're going to melt those powders under the microscope?
We could melt those under the microscope. Yeah, that's a good idea. And then we're going to look at colour, dry blended, high speed dry blended, slow speed.
So the various between high speed and tumble blend mixing. Right, okay.
See whether that actually makes a difference or not, because there's an awful lot of mythology in the industry about that. So we're going to have a look at that. So the whole area of colour. Also have a look at how we can visually check colours for conformance to standards.
So you're bringing your light box?
Yeah, I'll bring my light box.
Excellent.
We can have a look at different effects with that. So we got the sort of standard type physical testing. We've got powder testing. We've got colour testing, if you like. And then the final thing, we're going to do a couple of other things that you don't see so often that are interesting. One is creep testing. I've done a lot of work on creep testing. I'll bring some of that equipment in.
Very good.
And then finally, we're going to set fire to things. We're going to do some UL testing, UL 94 fire retardancy testing with different materials, so we can see how different materials react when you.
That would be good. Well, it wouldn't be a proper hands-on seminar unless we're burning polyethylene. So that should be great. And it's on the Saturday and Sunday before the conference. 2 full days of seminar, but you only come to one day.
You only come for one day. You either come on the Saturday or the Sunday.
Sounds good.
Yeah, fantastic.
Looking forward to that then.
Yeah, absolutely. Good. So remember,
these guys come along, do you think?
Yeah, definitely. Book up early, because we've only got 20 places per day, and they're going fast. So book up early.
Great. And will you be wearing your French scarf?
Certainly not. No.
Okay.
Will you be wearing your red lab coat?
I'm wearing my red lab coat. What colour is your lab coat?
Some sort of boring blue.
Oh, okay. We'll need to look at that. Okay. Super. Thank you.
Be there.